It's your man, Holy Fire. 777. You know, it's another weekend. Saturday, when all you can see me down. Yeah. It's a Saturday, yes, and we're there in Georgetown. I saw I go on a weekend, yeah. Yes, peeps, so I'm showing you I go on. It's them pirate weekend actually start today. So I was so busy, I hardly get to come out. I couldn't get to come out here because I was extremely busy. So sorry for the lighting, you know. I use the GoPro on a night. Yeah, because when my phone mash up, I normally use the record. Yeah, and you know, I can use lighting and shine from people in the record. So yes, people in Georgetown. So I'm showing you how I go on Georgetown today, Saturday, as me say. It's Pirates weekend. Pirate week start. So if it's your first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. On fire, holy fire. Should I walk the side there? Side I have more light peeps. So let me walk this side. So I'm not showing it too much dark. So if you look, see a lot of people wearing them Pirates week. Pirates week. Pirate suit. Yeah, a lot of people just like pirate. Yeah. Yeah, and they have Subway restaurant and some Asian restaurant. So peeps, we're in Georgetown. So I'm just showing a little bit of what going on today. Today I was extremely busy, so I never get to do no vlog, really. Didn't get to do no vlog today. Yeah. Because of being so busy. So I'm just showing a little bit of what going on in town in the night, yeah? Yeah. So the town still busy away. It's weekend, I guess majority of it finished already. Majority of it is finished already. So look like the cologne store then still open. So you can grab me one. So people still out there see me. So I guess majority of it done as me say. Yeah. So just a pass the post office. It's a Georgetown post office. Yes, peeps. So we're in the middle of the town now. So I can walk here, so I think I can walk here. So I'm showing now what I go on, peeps. Showing what I go on and what I go on. Yeah. Yeah, so as me say, yeah, majority everything done already. Just a preview. Almost everybody gone home already. Let me see. Cologne store and lock up. Yes, peeps. So they have a lot of things on display. Yeah, bonfire, farmer. Just a little bit of something. So this is Grand Cayman, peeps. And you see people dressed up like pirates. Yeah. Pirates them out. So even I didn't finish already, security? I didn't finish already? I didn't finish already?
No, it starts 7 o'clock.
Huh?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock?
It starts, yeah.
Ah,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's ready for the start, yeah.
Oh, so I'm okay. Because I was working all day, I thought I missed everything.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. You know me from? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So yes, peeps, a lot of pirates out here. So I thought I missed everything here, but apparently just I got start. It's a 7 o'clock it a start really. So I thought I missed everything, but I didn't. And actually I'm gonna walk with my other GoPro battery, so hopefully it doesn't die on me. So I don't have to go back all the way down to the bus to get battery. So, skips. Whole heap of pirates out here taking pictures and stuff like that. Pirates in there. Pirates them out. So it is Grand Cayman and they're celebrating Pirates Week. Pirates Week kickoff. Yeah. Excuse the lighting tips. You know, I'm using a GoPro. Yeah, I'm using my GoPro. So let me show you how I'm going. Very nice looking fellow. Alright, thank you.
And I will wait for you.
Food. I need some water. So lots of pirates babes. So as I say, excuse the lighting, it's a GoPro.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go
So a lot of people taking pictures and support with the pirates them. So I'm just showing a little bit. Yes, please, I'm just showing a bit of what's going on here in Grand Cayman. Pirates weekend.
Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. 'Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
Babes, they're having a drone show, so let's see how it's drone show is. Babes, my battery is almost dead, so let's see how much will it give me.
But a call to embrace our unique story, our spirit, and unity. So tonight, look to the skies as we sail back to their story.
So this is a Pirates Week drone show, babes. Grand Cayman with the peeps. So what's up people out there, as you can see. Everybody watching the drone show.
In 1977, the first Pirates Week Festival set sail. A vision crafted by Honorable Jim Martin, Cayman's first national hero and Minister of Tourism, and the festival's first director, Jody Spencer. Drawing on our island's seafaring heritage and pirate folklore, they created a celebration blending Cayman culture with the daring spirit of our past. With pride and a love for the sea, Pirates Week was born, a tradition that continues to connect our past and our present. Our beloved Sir Turtle, crafted by the talented Susie Solo, is an enduring symbol of the Cayman Islands hospitality, designed to bring the pirate history.
So I guess that's the turtle.
Just like his Cayman Airways as its official mascot, his eye patch replaced by a scarf flowing in the wind, symbolizing his journey from sea to sky. Today, Sir Turtle is more than a logo. He's our final master. Since its inception, every October, Caymanians eagerly awaited the glow of spring lights over Georgetown, a signal that Pirates Week was near. These colorful lights mark the beginning of a season of celebration, filling every corner of the town with excitement and anticipation. They became a beacon for both locals and visitors alike, heralding the arrival of vibrant festivities. People knew that with those lights came beautiful floats, lively street dances, the best live music, and of course, the very best local dishes. We look forward to the day when these lights will once again shine over the waterfront. Pirates Week has grown into a spectacular celebration across our three beloved islands. A chance to promote, preserve, and share Cayman cultural heritage.
So that's Cayman Island, Grand Cayman, Little Cayman, Cayman, bro.
Weaving together our stories, our people, and our history. Our traditions connect us to our past and each other, binding us across generations through food, arts, crafts, and more. We are thrilled to welcome back District Days, so we may continue to tell our vibrant stories from then till now. With guitar in hand, the legendary Dave Martins and the Trade Winds brought the vibrant spirit of the Caribbean to life.
People making nice. What are they making nice for?
Invitation for all to join in on the dancing, laughter, and song, uniting the islands in celebration. Mr. Martin's influence shaped not only Caymanian music, but also the heart of Pirates Week, helping define its spirit of community. His legacy lives on in every note we sing, every dance
Just
we
amazing
share,
that
and
drone
every story
can
we
actually
tell,
farm this.
continuing to inspire the festival today. The trial of the pirates. A lively courtroom where unruly pirates were judged, laughed at, and sometimes freed. In the spirit of fun, this tradition has kept our island's humor alive, showing that we can laugh at ourselves while we remember our past. scholars in Grand Cayman have held their social treasure. Each year, divers set out to find hidden gems in our coral reefs. The treasure hunt is the exciting prospect of bringing yesterday's tales to life in the present, all in the spirit of adventure that floats in these waters. Become a cornerstone of the Pirates Week Festival, and events like the Mike Lockwood Memorial Swim Meet honor the legacy of a true community leader and our forever chief pirate. Mr. Lockwood's passion for swimming and his dedication to service with the Lions Club inspired this event, bringing together athletes of all ages. Whether swimming, cycling, or running, sporting events highlight the strength of community and the power of sports to unite us. Mr. Lockwood's vision continues to shine, reminding us all of the enduring spirit of camaraderie that defines Pirates Week. On our islands, even the smallest lives are cherished. The release of baby sea turtles during Pirates Week has become a powerful symbol of renewal and acceptance of our national heritage. It's a heartwarming tradition. As many as 5,000 green sea turtles released at once, each making their way to the sea. As they scuttle towards the waves, they remind us of our deep commitment as stewards to the land and waters that always sustained us, and to the future we're nurturing together. With jetpacks and paragliders, their choreography electrified Pirates Week, showing that our unique event could reach new heights with energy as boundless as the Caribbean Sea. Show our festival found new expressions, always evolving yet rooted in our love for thrill, adventure, and community. The Red Bull Air Force left a lasting mark on Pirates Week, one we remember with excitement.
So yes, people, look at the lighting in that good. So let's go in the crowd and check out what I go on. Show no what I go on the Grand Cayman. This is Pirate Week, Grand Cayman.
your vehicle. The officers will ticket you. We don't want to spoil your night. Please avoid that. If you are parked on Gorin Avenue or Citrus Grove, please, please, please move your vehicle. Also, reminder to move on over to the festival stage. That is where the live bands will be performing. We have the famous Swanky Band at 8 o'clock, followed by 5 at 9:30. Make sure to secure your spot. It's gonna be a great night. Thank you. Hit it, UCCI. Starts at 8 o'clock with Swanky Band and 9:30 Fab 5.
Black man.
Alright, one fire, hold the fire. Love what to do. Do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability.
All right, let's give it up for our UCCI Pandemic Steel Pan Band. So once again, please make your way to the main stage. DJ IKM is playing music, preparing ahead for the live band show. Thank you so much. Please enjoy and celebrate with us tonight.
Alright, boys. So here they have some local juices. Coconut water, corn chips. Okay, cool. Over here, so they have local food.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't wanna dance.
first time tuning into the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bonfire, bonfire. Love what you do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. So it's not finished yet, but it's my time to go home. Yeah, because I've been on the road from morning until night. So I am heading home. So peeps, thank you all for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend about them and multiply 7.
I think about all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, 'cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, 'cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and I will stay. Don't mind the way I won't play. Don't like the game, 'cause I will stay. And